Most people see a building and think of walls. They see a bridge and think of a road. But an engineer? An engineer sees the invisible forces that may try to pull it down.
People say engineering is just mathematics, but no, it is empathy. I need to think about the man who is going to walk on this floor in the next 20 years. I need to also know that if I miss a millimeter, it's going to cost the safety of the job. Again, I say, engineering is not just mathematics, it is empathy.
Oh, it's plumbed. I like that. What about the other side? Yes, it looks perfect. It looks really good. Well done. You're doing well. I like it. I like this work. My job is to bridge the gap between the dreams on paper and the reality of the earth.
It takes 1,000 correct decisions to make one structure stand. Engineering isn't a solo sport. It is a silent pact between the mind that dreams and the hands that build.
You don't come. Yeah, we are here today again. Engineering is a beautiful profession. Hello everyone, my name is Prosper Eluchukwu Kemel. I am a builder. I'm used to seeing beautiful structures, edifices, and I began to wonder, how did this come about? So it made me curious and it brought up a fire in me that I would like to know more about how this structure came about. So it gives me that zeal, that eagerness, that passion to venture into knowing more and knowing further about engineering. They do not know that there's a lot of sacrifice, a lot of time, man management, finance, a lot of stakeholders, a lot of patience, a lot of communication. Now, I would like to talk about the professions that are involved, because without those professionals, buildings, you cannot achieve buildings. You cannot see the likes of Burj Khalifa, the First Bank building at CMS, the UBA building at CMS. So those professionals are the ones that made those buildings that you're seeing stand out. During the project, I'm most particular about paying attention to details, because as much as engineering sounds beautiful from the outside, for a structure to look beautiful or to stand, there has to be keen attention to details. Now, this attention is the one that makes the structure come out beautifully, that people see it and say, oh, I like this. So I most times, or of all of the time, I pay attention to details of the structure that is to be presented out. It gave me the leverage and ability to deliver projects to clients. You know, oftentimes clients have a lot of conceptions of what they want in their mind, and oftentimes they transfer that same knowledge to the architect. But as an engineer, it's not just having those beautiful knowledge on paper, it's also putting it on the land. So homework has given me that leverage, has given me that platform to be able to exercise my strength, exercise my zeal, exercise my passion to giving clients their best, giving clients what they conceive, and making sure that, yes, everything they want is in place and it is where they want it in terms of structure.
Progress doesn't move on its own. It is driven by the steady rhythm of those who look forward. Behind every great feat of human achievement is a team united by a singular purpose. It starts with a commitment and evolves through the power of shared expertise.
We don't build for today. We build so that the future has a place to stand.